Hello everyone, welcome to Robo Circuits. I always wanted to make a drone of mine, so I bought a quadcopter kit from gearbest.com. So here is a quick unboxing video of that. Soon I will upload a video series of how to make a drone. And we will make some changes by removing the flight control by an Arduino and much more. So stay tuned for that. Until then, watch this unboxing video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy this kit from the link given in the description. I will get a small commission from that. And you can also support me by sharing this video with your friends and subscribing to my channel. So thank you guys, have a nice day.